At HydroClean Carpet Cleaning, one of the most important things about starting your day is prepping your van, making sure that you have everything on the job that you need to have. If you're cleaning tile, you need to make sure that you have a tile tool on your van and the appropriate cleaning solutions. You want to check all of your jugs and make sure that they're not empty. If you've got an empty jug, you need to make sure you go get a full one and take the old one to the recycle bin so that you don't show up at a job without the things that you need. Also, make sure that if there's anything broken on the van, that you get that fixed. If you've got a broken hose or a broken fitting, we need to get that repaired before you start your day. If you find something broken, don't just shove it back on the van. Otherwise, the next guy who uses it is not going to have what he needs. The other thing we need to do in the morning is to check the oil and the coolant, both on the truck-mounted carpet cleaning unit and on the van itself. You want to make sure that thing's in top condition so you can do a good job. If the van doesn't work, neither do you.